Aquino vs. People, GR number 259094, January 28, 2025. Facts. Rodolfo Ferrarin Aquino, or Yo-Yon, was charged in two separate informations for illegal sale of dangerous drugs, Sector 5, RA 9165, involving 0.18 gram of shabu, and illegal possession of dangerous drugs, Sector 11, RA 9165, involving 1.84 grams of shabu. Aquino initially pleaded not guilty but later filed a motion for plea bargaining, seeking to plead guilty to the lesser offense under Section 12, possession of drug paraphernalia, for both charges, invoking AM number 180316 SC, the Supreme Court's plea bargaining framework. The prosecution consented only to the plea bargain for the possession charge, objecting to the plea for the illegal sale charge, arguing that DOJ Department Circular number 027 prohibits plea bargains from Section 5 to Section 12. Despite the objection, the RTC approved the plea bargain for both charges and convicted Aquino under Section 12. The Court of Appeals or CA reversed, ruling that prosecution consent is required for plea bargaining. Aquino brought the case to the Supreme Court. Issue: can a trial court approve a plea bargain over the prosecution's objection when the objection is based solely on a DOJ circular? Is the prosecution's consent indispensable for plea bargaining? Ruling: 1. Petition granted. CA reversed. RDC judgment reinstated. The Supreme Court ruled that trial courts may override prosecution objections when such objections rely solely on DOJ circulars that contradict the Supreme Court's plea bargaining framework. 2. Application of the Monteiro Doctrine. Following People v. Monteiro, objections based only on DOJ guidelines, which cannot amend SC rules, cannot defeat a plea bargaining proposal that conforms to the Supreme Court's framework. 3. Introduction of the Omnibus Objection Rule. The court adopted clarificatory guidelines requiring that the prosecution must raise all its objections at once. Any objection not raised is deemed waived. This prevents delays and avoids remanding cases unnecessarily. 4. Limits of judicial discretion. Although courts may override objections based on DOJ circulars, they cannot override objections grounded on ineligibility for plea bargaining, noncompliance with SC guidelines, evidence of strong guilt, habitual offender status. In Aquino's case, his plea bargain met the SC's framework. Drug quantity qualifies for Sector 12 plea, so overruling the DOJ-based objection was proper. Doctrine. Supreme Court's plea bargaining framework prevails over DOJ circulars. Prosecutors must state all objections at once, or they are waived. Omnibus motion rule applied to plea bargaining. Trial courts may accept plea bargains over prosecution objections if the objections rely only on DOJ rules contrary to SC guidelines. Disposition. Petition granted. CA decision reversed. RTC judgment reinstated, convicting Aquino of 2 counts of violation of Section 12, RA 9165.
Got some ghosts I keep around. They ain't quiet, they just talk loud. Built this house on dusty ground. It's a heavy kind of freedom, yeah.